Hello to everybody. This is your girl, Miss Rita F. Brewer. I welcome you to my page. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I welcome you. Subscribe for more video. God bless you. Let me leave you and watch the video. Good morning, everybody. This is your girl, Miss Rita F. Brewer. I hope everyone is doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm greeting you in the name of the Father and of the Son and the Holy Spirit. Guys, it's Saturday morning again, and I'm home. Just arrived from night shift, and I'm here to cook food. My kids like food so much. Anytime they hear the door, on Saturday, they know it's food time. Mommy preparation of food is ready. So today I'm going straight to my husband's country, LIB. Today I'm going to Liberia dish. So I'm gonna cook Torborgee. And I'll show you guys what it means. I think my video, I told you guys I'm coming to cook Liberia for very soon. So today is the day for me to cook. Watch out, like, comment, and God bless. Alright guys, let's do it. Welcome back to my channel one more time. Okay, now I'm putting water in my pot. So the measurement in this is 5 cups of water in your pot. Put it on the fire, and then I have my meat that I cooked yesterday. I've put it in the freezer, so I'm just gonna take it out and just put it in the pot to boil about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna put my garden eggs and my bitter leaf in, or bitter ball, that's how they call it, and then everything will go smoothly. So watch the video. Any question, please put your comment down. God bless you. That's why you're awake. Sorry, my kids smell when they are sleeping, so they wake up. So I need to go to part 2. So let's go to part 2. So now let's go mash the garden eggs and say hi. This is Torborgee oil. It's also made from palm nut tree, but different between palm nut and Torborgee oil. Torborgee oil is salty. Palm nut oil, you can see the oil in front of the food when you cook, but the Torborgee is soak the oil out. All done. I was taught well. I like to learn. My food is finished. My kids are ready to eat. Don't forget to follow me, and go to my YouTube and subscribe. Yes, darling. Everybody, bye. Torborgee is ready. Yeah, nice. Show them, girl. Oh, yum, yum. Oh, hot. Say bye.